Hey there, welcome back to another exciting video. Before we dive into today's content, if you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my future videos. Alright, in this video, we are going to see one CSS property, font-kerning. The font-kerning property defines the way specific pairs of letters are spaced. So let's see what this property means. So first of all, we will see font kerning accepts three values, that is auto, normal, and none. Okay, so you see fonts often contain information about how much breathing room a character has on its left and right edges. So you see here, this is a letter and we have this breathing space on both of the sides, right? So when two characters are placed next to each other like this, their side bearings add up to form the actual space between these characters. So when you say A and V together as a word, it will add these additional spaces as well, right? So font designers will adjust the side bearings between two specific characters so they look better together, right? That's kerning, and that's what the font kerning property let us decide whether we want to use the fonts kerning or disable it. So if you are working which doesn't support kerning data, then this property will no effect on that. So first of all, we will add one HTML. So let's add one head and aviation, that is our word. Okay, and let's see how it looks. So right now it is looking good. And in CSS, what we can do, we can target H1 and font kerning to normal. So this is first of all we will see the auto, that is a default value, initial value you can say, and this value will not have any effect. So this is default value, initial value. Okay, let's change it to normal, not none, normal. And you see we have a little bit spacing here. So you see, let me change it to auto, let me reload, and font kerning normal, auto, initial. This is auto and normal. So you see when you say normal and none, you see the space between A and V, it is getting changed. So when you apply auto, this lets the browser decide whether or not to use the font kerning. When you use normal, for example, then this will allow kerning stored in the font to be used. And when you say none, it will disable the kerning, right? So it depends on how you are using this property, and sometimes you don't need this property, but when you are working with a font where uh, normally the capital letters are there or the letters like AV comes together, this is very useful. And one thing you need to keep in your mind, that this property is not working in IE, right? It works in Safari, Edge, Firefox, and Chrome for both desktop, mobile, and tablet, but it is not working with IE. So I think IE is not that much of important right now, but it's good to know that. All right. So that's a wrap for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care, and I will